everyone, it's Desiree and I am here with Simon Says Stamp, and we are celebrating a new release, and this one is called Hello Beautiful. Gotta love that statement, right? So the product that I am going to be playing with today is called the Mix and Match Squares, and it's a stencil. Stencils, I think, it's like embossing folders. You know, they kind of, got pushed to the wayside, but something that's at a great price point, you can do so much with a stencil. You can sponge ink on it, you can use your glitter gels, you can use your watercolors. There's just so much that you can do, and maybe we'll see something in the future with that. Especially if it's basic shapes, and that's what this is. What I love about this stencil are the different shapes that you have. It's not a similar pattern. It's something that's kind of edgy, and that's kind of where I go to. So I get to play with the new Distress ink of Kitch Flamingo, and we're going to create a rainbow here. So I am using my Tailored Expressions blending brushes and using the Distress inks, and we are using, as I said, Kitch Flamingo, Festive Berries, Spiced Marmalade, Mustard Seed, Mowed Lawn, Broken China, and Wilted Violet. This is the rainbow that we're going to create. So I really chose, excuse me, bright colors, very bold, very vibrant. You know, you could also go with a pastel shade. You could go with one shade and you could variegate it, making it darker on one corner or towards the bottom or top, and make it lighter as you come across your stencil. For some reason, when I saw this, I saw a rainbow. Now, what I also saw, one of the things that I love to see with the rainbow colors, it's a little different. Usually we see white, and of course I am using a white piece of cardstock. But what I love to see, look at that purple. I love that purple. That purple, and I do love the pink. I'm not a pink person. My sister is. But I am loving that Kitch Flamingo color. Oh, yes. I love black with rainbows. I think it really, no matter what color scheme you choose, whether it's a pastel, whether it's a vibrant, whether it's a bright or a regal, black just really makes those colors pop even more. So you're going to see how I'm going to put that black into play. I've pulled out my Tim Holtz trimmer, and I am cutting this down so that it measures 4 by 5 1/4, because I'm going to use a black standard A2 size card base. And yes, believe it or not, it is a side folding card base. Usually mine are top folding. But this came from a previous Simon Says kit, when they gave us some card bases in there. I forget which one it was. It was one of the recent ones. And I just had some spares. So I'm going to use that. Now, you could always use a matte. I mean, you could use a black cardstock matte. What also looks great with a rainbow is navy blue. Navy blue looks great with it as well. I've dug into my stash and I found this HBD die. I think it's really, again, it's different. It's edgy. We don't always have to fully say happy birthday. It takes a lot of syllables, right? A lot of air. You know, HBD. See how quick that was? I always used to always say happy B-Day. It's your day. Again, have fun with it. You know, let's start laughing and smiling, and bring those bright colors, because yeah, I'm done with winter now. Us on the East, we have really been hit with winter, and I'm sure we're going to get more because it's just what's going to happen, and I'm done. I'm just done with it. Although it's beautiful. It does look beautiful. But let's bring on the spring. Let's bring it on. So I'm going to place this down onto a black panel. I've cut a rectangle just a little bit larger than what the die cuts out, and I've used the white cardstock. I'm going to make sure I save those pieces for the B and the D, and I didn't lose a one. And I'm going to use my wax pencil to pick those up so that I can glue them down on top of each other, just to keep that dimension. I did die cut this 3 times, and as you saw, I glued those layers together using my art glitter glue. I am a fan of the wax pencils. Yes, I think you've heard me before in previous videos that I'm kind of in the middle of moving my crafty space down into our basement. We're just gotta finish a few things there, which I am looking forward to this. Yeah, I need more room. Yeah. And have for some time. So I'll do another video of my crafty space, but I've started packing some stuff. For some reason, I felt the need to pack my wax pencils. Only me. I'm just saying, guys, only me. So I am a fan of the wax pencil. For me, that works. But there are so many other tools that you can use as well. I'm going to pull out my scrapbook.com double-sided foam tape. Set that down on that panel and just fill that panel around in the back so that it won't collapse, putting as much as possible to create a solid surface. I am finding, though, I'm actually, what my goal is for now is to, when it comes to adhesives, use up what I have. So I am trying to use up as much as the foam tape that I have, except for shakers. I'll always have that. But I do really enjoy the fun foam as a back for the panels to come up. When it comes to raising a panel like this, I think it is the most cost effective. So bring on the black gems. That's what we have done here. These are the Studio Katya black gems or crystals. I love the fact all the different sizes, and I was just having fun putting dots of glue all over this design and in different corners and using the different sizes. So I was just really enjoying the geometric feel that this was giving. And just by putting those black gems, it gave it a little bit of sparkle, gave it some shine. But yet is great for any person you want to give this birthday card to. It will fit. You know, sometimes when we look at our cards, you know, absolutely, they have a feminine touch, or they have a direct masculine. Even though this is a rainbow, this is great for either or, because that black kind of throws in that edge. That's my opinion. Again, it's just a simple color that could make this go through. If I used a pink background with some pink gems, it may have given it a more feminine feel when it comes to that card. Not that, hey, my husband likes pink. So again, but sometimes we kind of take our cards and push them in those ways. Again, it's a card to celebrate, to say, hey, how you doing? Hey, what's going on? So that we can keep snail mail alive. I am a fan of snail mail. I'm a fan of talking face to face, or seeing somebody. I'm not an email person. I'm just so not an email person. And it's funny, I do videos and y'all never see me. You just see my hands. So, yeah, I know. But that's the beauty of this. You know, have fun with it. Use what you have when it comes to your stash. But stencils allow for so much that can be done. They allow for that mixed media concept to come into our cards, which is great. I love the look of what these black gems do. I love the fact that they're in different corners. Some are in the center. Then we've got them just turning around. Some of them don't even have a black gem. But I just love the overload of that. So I do hope you enjoy this. By all means, the link to the entire Hello Beautiful collection will be listed down below, along with all of the other products that I use, if you're interested in checking them out. Remember, some of them are affiliate links, which means I get a small commission if you use that link to make your purchase, but there is no difference in costs to you. If you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below as well, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope everyone is enjoying their day. Get into your crafty spaces and enjoy, smile, have fun, test things out, and see what happens, to see what art, and it is art, what you create. That's what 2021 is all about for me. It is the year of the creative. So always remember, be creative, everyone. Take care and enjoy. Till next time.